Did you know that 95% of affiliate marketers fail to make a significant income online? That's a shocker, right? And yet, the allure of affiliate marketing is stronger than ever, with more people than ever before trying their hand at it. So, what's the deal? Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, is promoting other people's products and earning a commission from each sale. It's a business model that has exploded in popularity in the digital age. It's attractive because it offers the potential for passive income, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the chance to partner with some of the world's biggest brands. But while the opportunities are vast, so are the challenges. The reality is that affiliate marketing is not the easy money-making scheme some people make it out to be. It requires hard work, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of your audience. It's not enough to just choose a product, slap an affiliate link on your website, and wait for the money to roll in. One of the biggest challenges faced by affiliate marketers is the sheer competition. With thousands, if not millions, of affiliates promoting the same products, standing out from the crowd is no easy task. Then there's the issue of trust. In a world where consumers are more skeptical than ever about online sales and promotions, building a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations is crucial. But perhaps the most daunting challenge is the constantly changing landscape of online marketing. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. To succeed, you need to stay ahead of the curve, constantly learning and adapting. So, how do you become part of the successful 5%? Let's unlock the secrets. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into 7 lesser-known secrets that can significantly impact an affiliate marketer's success. These are the strategies used by the top performers in the industry, the ones who have cracked the code and are reaping the rewards. And stay tuned, because we'll also reveal the most crucial secret that can make or break your affiliate marketing campaign. It's a game changer, and you won't want to miss it. Now let's dive into the 7 lesser-known secrets that can significantly impact your success in affiliate marketing. Firstly, choosing the right niche is essential. This is not just about picking a popular or profitable industry. It's about finding a niche that you are passionate about and have some knowledge in. Why? Because if you love what you're promoting, it shines through, and people are more likely to trust your recommendations. Secondly, building an audience is crucial. You see, you can't just promote a product and expect sales. You need to have a group of people who trust your judgment and are interested in what you have to say. You can build an audience through blogging, social media, email marketing, or even YouTube. The key is to provide valuable content that solves a problem or fulfills a need. This way, you're not just selling a product, you're offering a solution. The third secret is leveraging search engine optimization, or SEO. Now, SEO might seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. It's about optimizing your content to appear in search engine results. This means using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring your website is user-friendly. With good SEO, you can attract organic traffic to your site, increasing the likelihood of making sales. Now, remember, these are just the first 3 secrets. There's still a lot more to learn. And these secrets are not standalone strategies. They work best when used together. For instance, if you have chosen a great niche and built an audience but your SEO is lacking, you might not reach your full potential. Similarly, excellent SEO without a loyal audience might not yield the desired results. By now, you might be asking, how can I master all these strategies? Well, the answer is simple: continuous learning and practice. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve success. But that's not all. There are more secrets to uncover. So stay tuned because we're just getting started. Before we continue, if you're serious about mastering affiliate marketing, check out our YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. This course isn't just about learning the ropes. It's about honing your skills, building a brand, and creating a platform that speaks to your audience. In the ever-changing landscape of online marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Our course is designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to navigate this space with confidence. From setting up your channel to understanding analytics, from scripting to SEO, this course covers it all. We delve into the world of affiliate marketing, revealing the strategies and techniques that can propel you to success. Our YouTube Mastery and Monetization course is a comprehensive guide to creating, managing, and monetizing your very own YouTube channel. So don't wait, the time to act is now. Now, let's get back to our secrets. Ready for more? Here are the remaining secrets that can make a big difference in your affiliate marketing journey. The fourth secret is all about content. Yes, creating quality content is a must. This is your chance to engage your audience, build trust, and ultimately drive them to your affiliate link. Remember, your content should not only be interesting and informative, but also relevant to the affiliate products you are promoting. Moving on to the fifth secret, it's all about relationships. Build strong relationships with your affiliates. Communicate with them regularly. Understand their needs and preferences. This will help you tailor your promotional strategies to better match their audience, leading to higher conversions. The sixth secret is about tracking and optimizing your campaigns. In order to maximize your earnings, you need to know what's working and what's not. Use tracking tools to monitor your campaign's performance. Analyze the data and make necessary adjustments to improve your results. And finally, the seventh secret is to stay up to date with industry trends. The world of affiliate marketing is ever changing. It's crucial to keep up with the latest trends and strategies to stay competitive. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and join affiliate marketing forums to keep your knowledge and skills sharp. Remember, these secrets are your keys to becoming part of the successful 5% in affiliate marketing. But don't just listen to these secrets, act on them. Implement these strategies, monitor your progress, and keep refining your approach until you find your sweet spot. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with persistence and the right strategies, you can make a mark in the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, these secrets are your keys to becoming part of the successful 5% in affiliate marketing. If you're finding these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. Just think about it. A simple click on that thumbs up icon can do wonders. It's not just a mere click for us, it's a signal that ignites the algorithm, helping our content reach more and more individuals who, just like you, are eager to unravel the secrets of affiliate marketing. Subscribing, on the other hand, is your golden ticket to a wealth of knowledge. Each time you hit that subscribe button, you're actually unlocking a door to a world filled with insights, tips, and strategies tailored to boost your affiliate marketing success. Remember, every thumbs up, every new subscriber contributes to the growth of this channel, allowing us to continue delivering valuable content that can significantly enhance your entrepreneurial journey. So, let's grow together. Now, let's wrap up our secrets. So, let's wrap up the 7 secrets to successful affiliate marketing. We've taken a deep dive into the world of affiliate marketing, explored its challenges, and unlocked the secrets to success. Firstly, we discovered the importance of choosing the right product. It's not just about the commission rate, it's about the product's relevance, quality, and demand. By promoting a product that resonates with your audience, you can maximize your chances of success. Next, we emphasize the value of building trust with your audience. This means providing valuable content, being transparent, and maintaining integrity. Trust is the foundation of any successful marketing campaign. The third secret was about leveraging the power of SEO. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract organic traffic and increase your chances of making a sale. Fourthly, we highlighted the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By promoting a variety of products, you can spread your risks and increase your potential for profits. The fifth secret was about understanding your audience. By knowing their needs, preferences, and pain points, you can tailor your marketing efforts to address these aspects effectively. The sixth secret was about tracking and analyzing your performance. By measuring your results, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make necessary adjustments. Finally, the most crucial secret we revealed was about persistence. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. But with the right strategy and persistence, success is within reach. Implementing these secrets can significantly improve your affiliate marketing efforts. They can help you navigate the challenges, maximize your profits, and achieve success in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is all about strategy, persistence, and a little bit of secret sauce. Before we say goodbye, here's one last thing. Think of the knowledge you've gathered here, not as the end, but as a stepping stone towards your journey to mastering affiliate marketing. There's a world of content on this channel, brimming with insights, strategies, and tips to help you navigate the online space with confidence and aplomb. Every video is a treasure trove of information designed to empower you, to help you grow, and to equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So why not stick around and explore? You'll find that each video builds on the last, offering fresh perspectives and actionable advice. By engaging with this channel, liking, sharing, and subscribing, you're not just supporting us, you're investing in your own growth, in your own future. So take that step, engage, learn, and grow. Thank you for watching, and remember, you've got this.